Good evening all, Mac Blogs here, aka Ian. I am tonight staying at the Malmaison Hotel here in Glasgow, and first impressions so far, it's really nice, a little bit fancy, and a nice little touch of difference again compared to other hotels that I have stayed at. So what I mean by that is every room, every hotel has its own little touch, and we'll cover that in this video. So yeah, join me today in this room tour of a standard double room here in Glasgow, Malmaison Hotel, and I paid £96 for tonight. It's a Friday night, so let's get straight into it and start the room tour. Let's go. So as usual, as always, starting at the front door. There's not a lot of space as you walk in to this room, and there's not a lot to show at the front door. It will give, we'll have a turn round and give you an overview first and foremost of the room. So first impression, I like the decor. Very different. So yeah, at the front door, as soon as you walk into this room, this is the wardrobe space and storage space amongst other things which we're going to cover just now. So there's a mirror on the back of this door, and here we have hair dryer, some information of laundry service, so I can just generally scan that there. You can pause the video for prices if you wish. Here is the safe. It's not a bad size, it's deep enough. Here we have kettle, some real mugs, shortbread, you can't go wrong with shortbread. And here we have some teas, we have Taylor's decaffeinated breakfast tea, and there's some milks in there. What else do we have? We have, oh, chocolate, hot chocolate. Coffee bag, coffee stuff. What else do we have? The sugars and some milks as well. So yeah, not a bad selection there. Peppermint tea. Yep, I'm going to slide this back in just now. It's not a bad selection. I'll leave that, I'll come back to that later and fix that. Fridge, always a good touch to have a fridge in the room, and it's not a bad size either. Little mini fridge. Glasses there. Spare towels, spare pillows. So plenty of hangers, ironing board and an iron. So a lot going on in this room. You've got a lock here, which is great, so you've got everything really that you need. There's no slot for like any key cards or anything for the power to the room. You just come straight in, turn light on, and that's you in. this is a standard room, like I say, and room wise, space wise, it's not too bad. You do have a lot of space. I've got 2 bags there, got some space in the corner there, space under the desk, space next to the desk. So yeah, there's a decent amount of space. So in this area here, nice big desk, really nice desk, like that desk, nice chair, pull out chair, very comfortable, relaxing chair there as well. Already sat on that and it is very comfortable. Got TV, fan, got a double socket point there with USB points as well. The mirror and the light there. What I will do is I'll cover the menu and some of this information near the end of the room tour. But really nice decor. I like the theme, I like the carpets. Yeah, I just like it all, like the headboard. There's a lot going on. I like the decoration with a mixture of colours, with the posters or pictures in the frames there, and that background, the kind of brick effect background there. So bed, double bed, looks really nice. I like the detail on the pillows there. But left hand side we have a light there, bedside light, you turn on with the switch. You have your phone, so your options on it, reception, there's room service available in this hotel as well. You have some USB points there, which is really good, 2 USB points, which is great to have bedside, so that's a really good big bonus there. Some more shelving. On the other side you have again 2 USB points. Control your lighting there as well. Here you have a little drawer. So, big bonus is you've got 4 charging points next to the bed. So that's very unusual for a lot of the hotels that I have stayed at, especially being USB points. So there's no plug-in, it's all USB. So really good. And you can control the lighting. You have the phone next to the bed there as well for reception, room service, and you have the 2 bedside tables. So yeah, so far so good. There's little hidden spaces as well, so you can storage in here, possibly store some stuff there in the shelving there. So it's very deceiving in regards to some of the storage. We'll go into the bathroom. You have your light switch here, and you have a towel rail which you can put on and heat up your towel rail, which we'll have a look at in a moment. As you walk in, first impressions, it's very nice, very clean. First impression, like I say, that's very important for myself, is that it's clean. So nice tiles, floor and walls, nice big mirror, there's me, very big sink, and storage areas here again. And this is your towel rail with your towels there. Some signs to say it's too hot to handle. The hot water that comes out of the tap is very, very hot, so just be careful. Here you have a shower cap, some glasses, they are plastic glasses. Here is, what's that, a hand wash. You have share only points for charging. checkered bath panel going on there. Gotta get my chest on that. Yeah. So there is a bath and a shower. So you've got like a rainfall overhead idea shower. Again, just be careful with the hot water. You have complimentary bath and shower gel, conditioning shampoo, the 2 grab rails there. Yeah, all in all, yeah, it's clean. That's, I know I've already said that, but that's all that really matters for myself. But yeah, I like the detail, like all the tile and the colour choices. Yeah, really nice. Really kind of sleek, modern, stylish. Is that the word I'm looking for? A stylish room. And this is a standard double room, so it would be good one day to have a look at their other options, other rooms. The view, I don't really have much of a view, to be honest. I thought that was different as well, with the curtain has got a curve to close the curtain. I don't know why, but I thought that was really different. The view, like I say, I don't really have a view. This is all I have. Yeah, so it's just a wall, some windows and a roof. That's really it. Over here in the know, so there's some information, some useful information first and foremost. So welcome to Malmaison, and some QR codes here for reference if you want to open up a few things. So COVID precautions still in place, kind of room. Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on there. I don't know if that's an old or new information there. Room service menu, TV guide. There's your times for breakfast. Breakfast 7 AM to 10 AM on Monday to Friday. Saturday, Sunday, weekends is 7 AM to 10:30. There's your dinner times. You do get free Wi-Fi here as well. Checkout time 11 AM, and there is some fire safety, fire alarm test, windows information, 24-hour emergencies. Yeah, hopefully found that useful there. We have a board here as well. So what does this say? I haven't actually read this yet, so reading this for the first time. Our top 10 tips for being a greener guest. So basically just some tips on not letting the water run, that kind of idea. Yeah, kind of recycling. It says you've got to please remove your key card from the energy saving device when you are not in the room. Yeah, I don't understand that. There's nothing there. Key card. Had to question myself there. Anyway, that's some information there in regards to a greener guest. Here is the grill, the restaurant, a little something refreshing. So they have a restaurant. I can't record too much because there is people enjoying their night and their meals and drinks and stuff, so I don't want to record in there. So join us down in, was it Chez Mal for some seriously delish seasonal dishes and divine cocktails. Or flip me over if it's a room service kind of night. I'm actually tempted to try the room service. I have done in some videos before. I think I mainly done it in the Dakota hotel video where I tried the room service. A lot of the room services are very expensive usually, so that's why I don't usually do it. But here are some prices. I will just briefly scan, and you can pause the video if you wish. There's some night bites. And it's not too bad really, price wise, depending on the size of the portions, I'm not sure. Yeah, it really depends on what you get for. So chicken tikka masala, £15. Would have to be a very big portion. But yeah, there's some information there. Any allergies. And then you got here, a discretionary service charge of 10% will be added to your bill. So yeah, that's really all I can show you, because that's all there is. And I actually really like this hotel. I like the location of it. It's close to recent hotels that I've been at, the Ibis Hotel, the Sandman Signature Hotel, so it's all kind of the back end and far side of Circuit Hall Street. And yeah, I'll put all the information down below in the description box in regards to address and such, so you can do some research and whatnot, but hopefully that makes sense. But yeah, I like this room, I like the location, I like the hotel. First impressions, it's really different, really nice. And yeah, that's it. So short and sweet. I know there's not much more I can show you. However, I will be on my travels again very soon, and I've probably said in the last couple of videos, but I'm nearly there. I'm nearly going back to Orlando, Florida. So if it's your first time watching me, thank you for watching, and hit subscribe if you want to follow my future adventures, which I've got so much coming up this year, the rest of this year. So look forward to that. All my social medias are down below. Yeah, thank you all for your support, really do appreciate it, and until next time, until the next video, I'll see you then. Bye bye.